Ghosts of Loudoun still remain, lost in the ivy, lost in the rain. The great hall silenced, banquets gone, nay laughter